Hi to everyone and welcome in this new Astrophilus video. Today I will show you the V3S, the last iteration of my V3 series harmonic DIY mount. Today I will show you this one, which is the little sister between the V3 and V3 Mini. This is the tiniest one and has been made with in mind the Star Adventurer Mini and the Star Adventurer GTI. So we will have a full go-to capability, auto guiding and so on, but in a very small package. After this, I can say that this mount has a payload capacity of around 3 kilograms, so I would use this with like a telephoto lens or a little apochromats, but with nothing that has a high focal length. So I hope you will like this video. Now I let you see the V3 with a Blender animation, and after we will go to building this. A special thanks to PCBWay and to Cito Drivers for sponsoring this video. So I hope you liked the animation, but now let's see what we need to build the V3S. So we will need two NEMA 17 stepper driver. I am using 38 millimeters 0.9 degree. After we will need two harmonic drivers. These are the Minif by Cito drivers. They have been very helpful and they gave me these two and other two that you will see in a future video. And I can only say that will be a huge video that you will see. So I will post a link to the description to the Cito driver website. These are very well made and very precise. So after we will need some screw, some earth insert, the cable for the motor, the chassis. You will find the link to download this for free in description. And some other things like this little mini Vixen and this Vixen clamp. You will find also this one in the description for free. So now let's begin the assembly. So the first thing to do is to mount the first NEMA 17, and you need to mount this first because if you mount these you will not have enough space to the screw and so on. So you will see that the holes are a little bit different. So I will screw this right in. And now the second. Okay. After we have done this, we will take the first wave generator and we will put it upside down. So the part that's a bit longer on the outside, we will do a little pressure and we will try to do it in this way. So from above, you have to see only half of this. Now we will take the screw driver and we will simply tighten this up. Maybe rotate it a little so you have space. This is the first screw. This is the second. And after we have done this, we will do the same for the other. You will receive it in this little bag with the grease already inside. And this is also the difference between these harmonic drivers and one you can have for cheap on AliExpress. They put already the grease. They do quality test at the beginning before selling and so on. Cito drivers are now quite established harmonic drive manufacturers. And in some minute I will let you see also this chassis made in metal by PCBWay, which sponsored this video by providing the metal chassis. After we have done this, we have to do the most annoying part in my opinion, which is to put this little M4 heat insert in this hole. here and here. Now I let you see for this and for this, and you have to do the same thing for here and here. Sorry, here and here. So we will take our soldering iron, we will put heat here, very easy, and we will do the same for the other side. So we take this little heat insert, we put it in position, we take our soldering iron, and we will do it in this way. And we will do the same for here and here, but on the other side. So this is the little enclosure for the V3S. And now, as you can see, this is the glue-covered plate. Here you can see a little hole, and we will need also this type of cable for the NEMA. And we will use for the electronics a 5-stacky 4 because this is the cheapest option, and also the one that does not require soldering. So we will pass the 2 cable for this little hole. If you don't know how to do the cable management and everything related to the 5-stacky 4, you can watch the other video, the one for the BT, where I will explain everything. The one you can find in description to this video. I will also let you see how to do the uploading of the on-step software. So we plug in these 2 cable in the motor. After we will put this one in this way. After we will take this one here, and we will simply put one screw here, one here, one here, and one here. As you can see, I didn't put any heat insert because this is not structural. So you can decide to not use any thread and simply put the screw inside, and the plastic will create the thread by itself. But I will also share with you a way to put the insert here. So I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe.